Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas tree pull-apart bread. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach, and you want that thawed and you want to squeeze the water out. I just used paper towels for that. Then we also need 6 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 cup of shredded cheddar or mozzarella cheese, whatever you want, or you could do a combination, and a 1/2 cup of the grated parmesan cheese. And then you also want a tube of refrigerated pizza crust. Then for our topping, we will also need 2 tablespoons of butter, and we will melt that so it doesn't matter if it's at room temperature, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I am using a star cookie cutter to put a star at the top of mine. Okay, let's preheat our oven to 400. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper, and then just lay another piece of parchment paper somewhere on a countertop. Next, you want to go ahead and unroll your dough, and if you need to use a rolling pin to straighten it out a bit, you can, because we are going to make this into a triangle, and we do need the leftovers. Here is my Christmas tree shape that I cut out, and then the leftover triangles are over here, and that's fine because they're on the bottom, so it does not matter. I know it looks a little scary. Then I just took some extra off the bottom and made just a little trunk coming down. I thought that would be cute. And then I did cut off a little star for the top. In a large bowl, you just want to mix together your spinach and cream cheese till it's nice and combined, and then add all of your seasonings to that, and we're going to just give it a good mix. You can do that with an electric mixer or just with a spoon. It's up to you. So that's the garlic powder, salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, pepper, and Italian seasoning. The filling has all been mixed, so now we're going to add both of our cheeses, give that a good stir, and then we're going to put it onto the bottom of our Christmas tree. That looks nice and combined, so now we are just going to cover our Christmas tree with it. All of my mixture is on my tree. I'm not going to lie, it kind of looks cute just like that. So now we're going to take our other tree and just put it on top using our parchment paper to help us. Alright, that looks great. I just had to pull mine a little bit after I put it on there, and that is fine. So now we are going to take our pizza cutter, and we're just going to cut slits going all the way up. You want to leave about 1 inch in the middle, but on both sides you just want to cut slits about 1 inch up. That looks great. You can see I have my good solid base still going all the way down where I didn't cut all the way through. Now you're just going to take these and you are going to twist them about 2 to 3 times at the bottom, and then when you get up you might just be able to do 1. Alright, my Christmas tree is ready to go into the oven. I put my little star on top. It looks so cute. I hope that it stays like this. So we're going to bake it at 400 for 20 to 22 minutes. My tree just came out of the oven. The last 3 minutes I did move mine up to the top rack and broiled it because the bottom felt like it was getting too done and the top wasn't. So I am going to change that and my directions to not put it so close to the bottom. So now you want to take your butter, your garlic powder, and your Italian seasoning and melt that in the microwave, and then we're just going to brush this over top. Alright, it's all ready to go. I'm just going to let it cool off a bit and see what Taste Tester thinks. I got a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't really like, subscribe.
Merry Christmas!